Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have chicken breast with a delicious red wine mushroom sauce. We begin with half a piece of boneless chicken breast, which we're going to slice into 3 pieces. As soon as we're done slicing the chicken breast, we're going to add salt on top and on the bottom of each piece. Now you're going to need a mixing bowl with flour, and we're going to toss in each piece and coat it nicely with flour. Don't forget, each piece, when you're finished coating, give it a little shake in the mixing bowl to get rid of the excess flour. We'll need a pan, add some cooking oil, and medium heat. We're going to cook each side for around 5 minutes, and at the end they should have a nice golden brown crust. And this is what we're looking for, a nice golden brown crust on both sides. Let's make now the red wine mushroom sauce. We'll need a pan, some olive oil, medium to high heat. Let's add the mushrooms and cook them for a couple of seconds before we add the salt. Let's add the salt now and continue on cooking for a couple of more seconds. Let's add the chicken broth now and let it come to a boil. As soon as it starts boiling, we add the red wine. And the reason why we want the chicken broth to come to a boil, so when we add the red wine, the alcohol will evaporate quite quickly, leaving us a great wine taste. As you can see, the sauce looks watery, so we're going to add some corn flour to thicken it up a bit. As soon as you add the corn flour, in a couple of seconds, you'll see a nice thick sauce. And this is what we're looking for, a nice thick sauce. Now we're ready to serve. With this recipe, I love eating mashed potatoes. Rice is not bad either. Let's put the chicken breast next to the mashed potatoes and then pour on top that great red wine with mushroom sauce. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.